Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, here we discuss everything about health and fitness and healthy lifestyle. So please like and share, subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload content like this, you will be notified. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Today we are going to be discussing about black seed oil. And we are gonna be focusing on what is black seed oil, the benefits of black seed oil, how to use it for immune support and wellness. Have you ever heard of a tiny seed that packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits? Let me introduce you to black seed oil, a natural remedy with a long history of use in traditional medicine. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of black seed oil and learn how to incorporate it into your daily routine for optimal health. What is black seed oil? Black seed oil, also known as black cumin seed oil or Nigella sativa oil, is a natural remedy extracted from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, which is native to Southwest Asia. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. The oil is rich in bioactive compounds such as thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, and thymol, which are believed to contribute to its medicinal properties. It contains a potent blend of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, making it a popular choice for promoting overall health and wellness. Black seed oil is known for its numerous health benefits, including 1. Immune support. It helps strengthen the immune system and defend the body against infections and illnesses. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces inflammation in the body, which may help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. 3. Digestive health. It aids digestion, relieves bloating, and may help manage gastrointestinal issues. 4. Skin and hair care. It nourishes the skin, promotes a clear complexion, and supports healthy hair growth. 5. Cholesterol management. It may help maintain healthy cholesterol levels in the body. 6. Respiratory support. It assists in managing respiratory conditions like allergies and asthma. 7. Cognitive function. It has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. 8. Pain relief. It helps alleviate pain associated with headaches, joint pain, and other ailments. 9. Blood sugar regulation. It helps aid in managing blood sugar levels, benefiting individuals with diabetes. 10. Antimicrobial properties. It exhibits antimicrobial activity against bacteria and fungi, helping to combat infections. Black seed oil is also for diabetes, stroke, and high blood pressure with points that matters. 11. For diabetes. It helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are linked to diabetes complications. It lowers fasting blood glucose levels when taken regularly. It supports pancreatic health and insulin production. It improves lipid profile by lowering LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It enhances glucose tolerance and reduces the risk of diabetic complications. 12. For stroke. It exhibits neuroprotective effects, shielding brain cells from damage during a stroke. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which are major contributors to stroke severity. It improves cerebral blood flow, aiding in stroke recovery and reducing the risk of subsequent strokes. It helps prevent blood clots by inhibiting platelet aggregation. It supports nerve regeneration and repair, promoting recovery from stroke-related disabilities. It enhances cognitive function and memory, which can be impaired after a stroke. 12. For high blood pressure. It acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. It inhibits the angiotensin-converting enzyme ACE, a key regulator of blood pressure. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in blood vessel walls, improving their function. It supports endothelial health, enhancing the production of nitric oxide, a vasodilator. It helps maintain normal blood pressure levels when incorporated into a healthy lifestyle. It may reduce the risk of hypertension-related complications, such as heart disease and stroke. These are just a few of the potential benefits of black seed oil for diabetes, stroke, and high blood pressure. However, it's important to note that while black seed oil shows promise as a natural remedy for these conditions, more research is needed to fully understand its effectiveness and safety. If you have learned anything new or getting value from this video, I would appreciate you leaving a comment below in the comments section and smash that red button to subscribe. Now we discuss further the benefits of black seed oil. What to expect. 1. Supports immune health. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants and has immune-boosting properties that can help defend against infections and illnesses. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. It helps reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. 3. Promotes digestive health. Black seed oil aids digestion, relieves bloating, and may help manage symptoms of gastrointestinal issues. 4. Healthy skin and hair. It nourishes the skin, promoting a clear complexion and supporting healthy hair growth. 5. Balances cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of black seed oil helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 6. Supports respiratory health. It can assist in managing respiratory conditions like allergies and asthma. 7. Enhances cognitive function. Black seed oil has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. 8. Natural pain relief. It helps alleviate pain associated with conditions like headaches and joint pain. 9. Regulates blood sugar. It helps in managing blood sugar levels, benefiting those with diabetes. 10. Antimicrobial properties. Black seed oil exhibits antimicrobial activity against bacteria and fungi. Lastly, we are going to be discussing about 10 different ways on how to use black seed oil. How to use black seed oil. Black seed oil can be consumed orally as a dietary supplement, applied topically to the skin, or used in hair care products. It is available in liquid form as well as in capsules and soft gels for convenient consumption. 10 ways to use black seed oil. 1. For internal consumption, take a teaspoon of black seed oil daily, either on its own or mixed with honey or juice. 2. Topical application. Apply black seed oil directly to the skin to moisturize, soothe irritation, or address skin conditions. 3. Hair care. Massage black seed oil into the scalp to nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. 4. Ingest with food. Add black seed oil to salads, soups, or smoothies for a nutritional boost. 5. Steam inhalation. Inhale black seed oil vapor to clear nasal passages and support respiratory health. 6. Oil pulling. Swish a tablespoon of black seed oil in your mouth for a few minutes before spitting it out to support oral health. 7. Massage oil. Use black seed oil as a massage oil to relax muscles and improve circulation. 8. Joint pain relief. Rub black seed oil onto joints to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. 9. Wound care. Apply black seed oil to minor cuts or burns to promote healing and prevent infection. 10. Internal cleansing. Incorporate black seed oil into a detox regimen to support liver and kidney health. Overall, black seed oil is a versatile natural remedy that offers a wide range of health benefits and can be incorporated into your daily routine to support your overall well-being. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Conclusion: black seed oil is truly a treasure trove of health benefits, offering a natural solution for a wide range of ailments. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your skin and hair, or manage chronic conditions, black seed oil may just be the remedy you've been searching for. Try incorporating it into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of this ancient remedy for yourself. In this video, we have covered the incredible benefits of black seed oil and shared practical ways to use it in your everyday life. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to explore the world of natural health with black seed oil. Subscribe and also comment below if there is a question or anything you'd like to know. I will be happy to help. For more information, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more health tips and insights on this channel.